uCertify offers Microsoft Office 365 course prep for programmers. So start your prep for the Microsoft Office 365 course with uCertify. The Microsoft Office 365 covers core and user training for Office 365 and helps to enhance your collaborative abilities, boost productivity, and ensure that your data is secure. The uCertify course consists of 20 interactive lessons and learning resources with 65 flashcards, 166 quizzes, and 65 glossary terms. It has 117 video lessons to make your learning more interactive. Finally, once you achieve a readiness score of 90% or more, you will receive a certificate of course completion from uCertify. Upon course completion, you will gain skills to work on OneDrive, Skype for Business, SharePoint sites, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint online, OneNote online, Yammer, Delve, and Sway. Our course is also available on the uCertify mobile app. You can start the course with a web app and end with a mobile app, or vice versa. Students and educators can move from device to browser and get back seamlessly without losing any performance or activity data. You can download our mobile app from the Google Play Store and iOS App Store. This will allow you to access the course anytime, anywhere, and on any device. To explore more about uCertify titles and their features, please visit www.ucertify.com/exams/office-365. You can call us at 1-415-763-6300 or reach us by email at sales@ucertify.com.